Happy morning, kids. Once again, I welcome you all in the environmental studies. Since we had started a new concept, and that is my country. What is the name of our country, children? India. India is a country. Can you tell me who is the Prime Minister of India? Mr. Narendra Modi. And who is the President of India? Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Okay. And who is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu? It's Mr. Yedapadi K. Palaniswamy. Okay. So, these are the important persons that we should know every time. Okay. And yesterday we had learned that how India is being governed by our Prime Minister and the President, and what is the role of Chief Ministers and all. Today we are going to learn about national flag and the national symbols. So children, have you seen the national flag? How does it look like? What are the colors that comes in the national flag? Very good. You could see orange color, white, green color, right? And in the middle we see the Ashoka Chakra that looks like the wheel. I'll show you. Now this is our national flag. The national flag of India. And this is a simple symbol of unity and partition. Unity and partition. So what are the colors we see here? We don't say it as orange color, we say it as saffron, white color and green color. Saffron, white and green color, Ashoka Chakra. This is Ashoka Chakra, a 24 spoke wheel. It is called as Ashoka Chakra, 24 spoke wheel. Okay. The tricolor or the Tiranga in Hindi refers to the colors of the national flag. Tricolor or Tiranga. In Hindi we say Tiranga, in English we say tricolor. That represents the three colors. So saffron. Saffron represents courage and sacrifice. Saffron color represents courage and sacrifice. White color represents peace and truth. It is for peace and truth. And green color represents faith and chivalry. Faith and chivalry. Okay children, so this is about the national flag. Next we are going to see the national symbols. Okay children, do you have any idea what are the national symbols? Okay, we'll start with the national animal. Tiger is the national animal of India because it is a symbol of India's wealth of wildlife. This is the wealth of India's wildlife. The combination of beauty, strength and speed and enormous power has made the tiger the national symbol. Okay, the national animal of India. The next one is the national flower. What do you think? Which flower will be the national flower of India? It is the lotus. Lotus is the national flower of India because it is a sacred flower. It is used as offering to offer in the temple for God. Have you seen children, when you went to the temple, you could see the lotus flower offered as an offering to the God? Yes, no? Yes. The lotus flower teaches us to remain true to nature. Okay. It is in dirty water. It blooms out in the dirty water, but it remains very neat and clean. Okay. And very, very beautiful. It is a sacred flower of India. Next comes the national bird. The national bird is the peacock. Peacock is the national bird because it is colorful, different and spectacular blue. Spectacular blue-green tail of around 200 big feathers. Can you imagine children? How many feathers does the national bird has? They have at least 200 feathers, kids. So peacock is found abundantly in India. Nowadays you could see many peacocks roaming in and around our city. Isn't it children? So peacock is our national bird. Next comes national fruit and national vegetable. Mango is our national fruit. Brinjal is our national vegetable. It is in India we could see 100 varieties of mango. It is grown in almost all over India. Okay, children. And especially our Salem district is very famous for mango. Isn't it, children? Yes, and they come in different sizes, different color, even they have different taste also. Climatic condition in India are suitable to grow the best mangoes in India. Okay, it is a favorite fruit of many, isn't it? Even I like to eat mangoes a lot, the ripe mangoes. Even brinjal is our national vegetable. Why? Because brinjal is also grown in all over all the place in India. This is a national fruit mango, national vegetable brinjal. Next comes the national tree. National tree is a banyan tree. Banyan tree is our national tree. It is also considered to be the sacred tree of India. And comes the national game. National game of India is hockey. Hockey is the national game of India. And next comes the national emblem. National emblem of India is the Ashok Stamp. Ashok Stamp is the national emblem. Okay, children. So what we had learned today in the concept class. Today we had learnt about the national flag that has saffron, white and green color, and Ashoka Chakra, a 24-spoke wheel. What is our national animal? Tiger. Tiger is the national animal. What is the national flower? Lotus. Lotus is our national flower. What is our national bird? Peacock. Peacock is our national bird. What is our national fruit? Mango. What is our national vegetable? Brinjal. What is our national tree? Banyan tree. What is our national game? Hockey. And what is our national emblem? Ashok Stamp. Okay, children, these are all the national symbols of India. Okay, they all have the specific features in there. That's why they have been given the national symbols of India. Now let's do the worksheet. Check out your concept worksheet and turn to this page. So we are going to do two worksheets today. Okay, so what are the worksheet? First, parent write its name and date. Draw the national flower and national fruit of your country and color it. So what is our national flower? Lotus. So you need to draw the lotus and mango. Mango is our national fruit. Okay. So draw the lotus flower and mango and color them. Okay. It's very simple to draw lotus. You want me to draw here? So lotus you can draw simply like this. Okay, this is very simple to draw the lotus. This is the lotus flower and mango. Mango you can draw like this. This is mango. Okay. So isn't that so simple to draw? So draw the lotus and the mango and then color them. Okay. And in this worksheet what we are going to do is stick pictures of any 4 national symbols of a country. So we need to stick the pictures of national symbols. So I had shown you many national symbols. We had seen national tree, national fruits, national vegetables, national game, and after that national bird, national fruit, okay, national animal we had seen. So you could stick any 4 pictures here and you have to write the names of it below the picture. Okay. So this information I had already given in the previous class that this month you need to buy the pictures of national symbols of India, Indian monuments, along with that India map. Okay. So all this you need to buy, I said to, because you're going to do in the worksheet. Okay, children. So with this I am coming to an end of today's class. Until I meet you in the next new day, it's your Ranja saying bye and take care.